Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best gymnastics mats is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any aspiring gymnast, whether they're training at home or in a professional gym, providing a safe and stable surface for practicing a wide range of skills, from basic tumbling passes to more complex aerial maneuvers, ensuring that athletes can push their limits with confidence and minimize the risk of injury during their rigorous training sessions. Number 5. AKSPORT Gymnastics Air Mat Tumble Track. Looking for an ideal gift? This air mat provides a bouncy and safe landing, perfect for practicing gymnastics or tumbling. We offer various sizes to suit different training needs. Use it anywhere. From gymnasiums and homes to beaches and pools, it's perfect for a wide range of activities. Choose from a variety of sizes to fit your space. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this mat ensures excellent airtightness and longevity. Its reinforced seams and premium PVC make it incredibly safe and leak-free. Get everything you need. Each purchase includes an electric air pump, a convenient carry bag, and a repair kit. Inflation and deflation are quick and easy thanks to the high-quality valve. Need more space? Easily connect multiple mats end-to-end with the included Velcro connectors to create a longer training area. We stand by our product. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to provide professional customer service. What we like? This inflatable mat offers a bouncy and safe landing surface, perfect for practicing gymnastics or tumbling. It's also connectable, allowing you to create a longer training area. If you are looking for a versatile mat that can grow with your training needs, this is a great option. What people say? The mat provides a great bounce and feels so solid. This product withstands lots of jumping. It inflates in less than a minute and deflates just as fast. Number 4. AKSPORT Gymnastics Air Mat Tumble Track. Looking for an ideal gift for teenagers? This air tumbling track offers a bouncy and safe landing, perfect for practicing gymnastics and tumbling. Choose from various sizes to suit different training needs. Take your training anywhere. Use it in the gym, at home, in the park, or even at the beach. With a wide range of sizes available, it's suitable for all your activities. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this mat ensures excellent airtightness and longevity. Its reinforced seams and leak-free design provide a safe and odor-free experience. Get everything you need to get started. Your purchase includes an electric air pump, a convenient carry bag, and a repair kit. Inflation and deflation are quick and easy thanks to the high-quality valve. Need more space? Easily connect multiple mats end-to-end using the included Velcro connectors to create a longer training area. We stand by our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like? Crafted with high-quality materials, this inflatable mat ensures excellent airtightness and durability. It comes complete with an electric air pump, carry bag, and repair kit for your convenience. If you need a reliable and easy-to-transport mat that includes everything you need to get started, this is the one for you. What people say? The mat provides a great bounce and feels so solid. This product withstands lots of jumping. It inflates in less than a minute and deflates just as fast. Number 3. FBSPORT Inflatable Air Gymnastics Mat. Experience professional-grade gymnastics training with our inflatable mats. Crafted from durable, high-quality PVC, they offer superior airtightness and longevity for all your practice needs. Whether for group training, professional routines, or home entertainment, our mats come in various sizes to suit your specific requirements. Use them anywhere from the gym to the water. Get ready to train in under a minute with the included electric air pump. It inflates and deflates rapidly, and once set, it maintains pressure for days without noise. Increase your training frequency while minimizing the risk of injury. Our mats provide a safer alternative to traditional exercising equipment. We stand behind our products and prioritize your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us for prompt assistance. What we like? This inflatable mat inflates and deflates in under a minute, offering a quiet training experience. Available in different thicknesses, it provides excellent cushioning and reduces the chance of injury. If you prioritize quick setup and a safe, comfortable practice environment, especially for home use or group training, consider this mat. What people say. This has proven to be great quality and fun for both my 2-year-old and 5-year-old. It washes off easily, is proving to be pretty durable, and inflated and deflated easily. Very sturdy, our little kids flip around on it too. It's heavy and long when blown up, takes 2 people to move so we don't drag it. Number 2. Safely Fun Foldable Gymnastics Bar for Kids. Experience worry-free training with our gymnastics bar. It features a cushioned pad and a thick mat for superior comfort and safety during every practice session. Built with reinforced steel and a stable triangular structure, this equipment is designed for durability. It can safely support up to 145 pounds, ensuring stability for your child's practice. This bar easily adjusts to 5 different heights, from 35 to 51 inches. It's perfect for children aged 3 to 11, growing with them as they develop their skills. Enjoy the convenience of a foldable design that shrinks from 57 inches to just 17 inches. It's perfect for easy storage and transport, whether used indoors or outdoors. Setting up is a breeze with clear instructions, and kids can even help. It's a great way to make installation a fun family activity. This makes an excellent gift for any occasion, encouraging fitness and skill development. Plus, it comes with a 1-year worry-free warranty and 24/7 customer support. What we like? This gymnastics bar is designed for growing children, with adjustable height and a sturdy, reinforced steel frame. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. If you're looking for a safe, durable, and space-saving training tool that can adapt to your child's progress, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This Safely Home Gymnastics Bar is fantastic and easy to set up. There are some really great features for this gym bar that I thought were well thought through in the design and construct of the gymnastics bar. For example, it's height adjustable, so as your child grows, you can move the bar up and create more height. There is a screw pin assemble that keeps it in place, instead of just a little pin. I think this was a great upgrade and made the unit very sturdy. The base has anti-slip grips and the design of the unit has a triangle base for stability. It's also great that it can be moved outside and is powder-coated so that it will not rust and is protected from the elements. Hardware included, and all pre-drilled holes lined up, huge bonus, 5 stars. Easy to go up and down on heights, kids can adjust it. Sturdy and fun. Also best part, easily collapsible for storage. Seems super sturdy and it should last quite a while because of the ability to adjust the bar height. Comes with a pad that we folded to make it a bit thicker. Number 1. Best Choice Products 10 Feet Folding Gym Mat. Experience superior durability with its sturdy construction, featuring high tensile stitching and a water-resistant surface that's easy to clean. Its innovative 4-fold design makes storage a breeze. Plus, with built-in handles, you can effortlessly take it anywhere. Enjoy exceptional comfort and support with 2 inches of high-density foam. It absorbs impacts and resists flattening, ensuring safety during practice. Transporting it is simple thanks to the convenient side handles. Move it easily between practice sessions or rooms. Need more room? Easily connect it with other mats using the hook and loop fasteners to create a larger, cushioned workout area. What we like? This gym mat features a convenient 4-fold design with built-in handles for easy storage and transport. Its high-density foam provides ample cushioning, and hook and loop fasteners allow you to expand your workout space. If you need a portable, easy-to-store mat that offers good support and the option to connect with other mats, this is ideal for home workouts or fitness classes. What people say. It is softish foam with some bounce. The foam is thick enough for her activities and a 260-pound man can walk on it without his foot sinking through the foam to the floor. No, the foam is dense enough to hold him up even standing in one place, but it gives beautifully for tumbling and crashing. The covering feels durable, thick, smooth without being shiny and will be easy to wipe and clean. The easy fold-up structure of this mat allows us to keep it in our living room and then quickly tuck away when needed. The mat is thick and soft, and the material has held up well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.